Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at tokenomics and economic models in the cryptocurrency space. 1. Tokenomics refers to the economic model and system designed around a cryptocurrency or token. It encompasses various aspects including token distribution, supply dynamics, utility, and governance. 2. Token distribution. Initial distribution. The way tokens are initially distributed often plays a crucial role in their adoption. Methods include initial coin offerings, ICOs, token sales, airdrops, and mining rewards. Fairness and inclusivity. Tokenomics aims to achieve fairness and inclusivity in distribution, avoiding concentrations of tokens in a few hands. 3. Token supply dynamics. Fixed supply versus inflationary models. Cryptocurrencies can have fixed supplies, mimicking scarcity like Bitcoin, or inflationary models where new tokens are continually minted, such as with some proof-of-stake systems. Token burning. Some projects incorporate mechanisms for token burning, where a portion of tokens is deliberately removed from circulation, potentially increasing scarcity. 4. Utility and use cases. Intrinsic value. Tokens often derive value from their utility within a blockchain ecosystem. They may represent ownership, access rights, or participation in a decentralized application (dApp). Staking and governance. Many tokens provide staking functionalities, allowing holders to participate in network consensus or governance decisions. 5. Governance models. Decentralized governance. Tokenomics frequently includes decentralized governance models where token holders can vote on protocol upgrades, parameter adjustments, or other decisions. Sybil resistance. Measures are often in place to resist Sybil attacks, ensuring that voting power is distributed according to genuine economic participation. 6. Token vesting and lockups. Founders and advisors. Tokenomics typically includes vesting schedules for founders, team members, and advisors to align their interests with the project's long-term success. Community incentives. Vesting and lockup periods may also apply to community incentives and token distribution to prevent rapid sell-offs. 7. Token liquidity. Market dynamics. Tokenomics considers liquidity factors, such as the availability of tokens on exchanges, depth of order books, and measures to prevent market manipulation. Liquidity pools and incentives. Some projects incentivize liquidity providers through programs like liquidity mining to ensure ample liquidity. 8. Economic incentives. Aligning interests. Tokenomics aims to align the interests of various stakeholders, including users, developers, and investors, to foster a healthy and sustainable ecosystem. Incentive mechanisms. Economic models often include incentive mechanisms like staking rewards, yield farming, and governance rewards. 9. Regulatory considerations. Compliance. Tokenomics must consider regulatory compliance to navigate legal frameworks. Regulatory clarity is essential to avoid legal risks and challenges. 10. Evolution and adaptation. Dynamic nature. Tokenomics is not static. Projects often evolve their economic models based on feedback, technological advancements, and changing market conditions. Community feedback. Open dialogue and feedback from the community play a crucial role in refining and adapting tokenomics over time. Conclusion. Tokenomics serves as the backbone of cryptocurrency projects, defining how tokens are created, distributed, and utilized within a decentralized ecosystem. A well-designed tokenomics model aligns incentives, promotes fairness, and contributes to the overall sustainability and success of the project. As the crypto space continues to evolve, innovative tokenomics models will likely emerge, shaping the future of decentralized finance and blockchain ecosystems.